Hard money lenders are built for speed. They can close in 3 to 7 days, sometimes faster, but only when the borrower knows how to work the process. The truth is, slow closings usually happen because the borrower isn't prepared. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know the fastest way to close a hard money loan, step by step, without delays or surprises. Let's start with a real example. 2 investors submitted deals to a hard money lender. Investor A sent everything the same day: ID, bank statements, contract, LLC docs, rehab budget, and comps. Investor B sent documents piece by piece over 4 days. Guess who closed in 5 days and who took 2 weeks? Speed isn't luck. Speed is preparation. Here's what the data shows. According to a 2024 private lending operations survey, 72% of closing delays came from missing borrower documents, not lender processing. Another analysis from Geraci Law found that complete loan files closed 54% faster than disorganized ones. Hard money lenders are fast, but they can't move quicker than the paperwork. So here's the fastest way to close a hard money loan. Step 1. Get pre-qualified before you shop deals. Don't wait until after you sign a contract. Pre-qualification gives you your loan limits, down payment, and rehab expectations up front. This alone cuts days off your timeline. Step 2. Prepare your full borrower packet in advance. Here's what you need ready and saved. Government ID, 2 to 3 months bank statements, LLC docs or operating agreement experience sheet, proof of funds for down payment, insurance agent contact. Having this prepped means you can submit within minutes, not days. Step 3. Submit a complete deal package. A full package includes signed purchase contract, rehab budget, itemized investor comps, contractor bid, property photos, exit plan. Hard money lenders fund the plan, not just the property. Step 4. Order the appraisal immediately. Do not wait for underwriting to tell you. Appraisal and BPO turn times are the #1 external bottleneck. Order fast, schedule fast, and provide access fast. Step 5. Respond to underwriting within hours. Every hour you delay adds hours to your file. Fast borrowers close fast. Slow borrowers get rolled to the next day's pipeline. Step 6. Set up insurance early. Hard money loans require hazard insurance with the lender listed as mortgagee. Start the quote while underwriting is still working. Step 7. Wire funds early on closing day. Lenders won't fund until your down payment hits escrow. Wiring early prevents same-day delays. Here's your payoff. Hard money loans are the fastest loans in real estate, but only if you're the fastest borrower. When your documents are clean, your numbers are clear, and your responses are immediate, lenders can close faster than almost any other loan product. Educational content only. Not financial advice.